Good morning. It's a beautiful day today, and we are going to work on the car. This is 2009 Nissan Altima that we're going to replace the AC compressor. So let's go, guys, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do this. So the first thing you want to do is to remove the engine cover. We're using Phillips screw to remove it. Yeah, just be careful, don't strip the screws. So the next thing you want to do is to create space by removing the antifreeze reservoir. Get 10 millimeters socket to do that. And remove. Just put it up. Start doing this. You need to have everything in one place. What we are doing now is to create space to be able to remove the compressor. And now we have access to get the AC down there. All right, so right now, excuse me, we're going to remove this cover. This is where the compressor is in here. And also we're going to remove the engine flush cover down here. All right, so we are going to remove the belt. So in order for you to remove the belt, this is the tensioner. So the tensioner, you get the 14 millimeters and you have to push it as if it's going towards the front of the car, towards the driver's side, and you can just pull out the belt. Alright guys, so we're going to remove this alternator. I didn't want to remove it, but I still have to remove it in order for me to get access to put back the compressor, because there's no access in the bottom. I have to remove the negative terminal. I remove this alternator out. It's this bolt and this bolt, 10 mm. All right, so we gotta remove this bolt. It's I said it was 10 millimeters, but it's 12. This one is 12, so it depends on what type of car you have. So we're gonna remove this connection. This is crazy. Interfere with that, but I'll take it. It's brittle. Everything is brittle in here. You just have to be careful. Everything is brittle. It's high heat. This is high heat area.
Oh, that's why.
So we have to get the 14 millimeters to remove the alternator to give us the space to work on. Alright, so the alternator is coming out. Just have to wiggle it. Oh, hold for me this. Out of the way. There you go. So we're gonna use 10 millimeters socket to remove this AC compressor line. And there's another line here that we're also gonna remove using the same socket. Yeah, so I remove this line, AC line, out all the way. So have to make sure that it's out of the way. I'm gonna use paper towel just to avoid contamination. Paper towel to block the hole. Use 10mm socket to remove the other line on the AC compressor. I've loosened it, so just remove it. Alright, so I'm not going to remove it fully because I don't want this to be contaminated. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and remove these bolts. You have two bolts there that needs 12mm. So we're gonna loosen these upper bolts. Don't remove it fully, just loosen them up, and then we go underneath the car and remove the two bolts that are holding the compressor below. All right. We have two bolts that is holding the lower part of the compressor, and we are going to use the same socket, 12mm socket, to remove those two bolts. Once removed, the compressor is free and we can remove it out. So here are the upper bolts of the compressor, right here. So I have to remove this, then take out the compressor. We're doing this. All right, so this is a compressor, and we are going to remove the compressor, and it can't go below. You can only remove it from here. So just have to wiggle it. Without breaking anything. There you go. So that's the old compressor. The good thing, we do have a new compressor that we ordered from the Rock Auto. Just remember, Rock Auto does not pay us for this.
No sponsor.
Not
sponsored.
Free advertisement. But it's already been pre-filled. Yeah, so we're gonna put this compressor to the car.
Back.
Yeah. You gotta wiggle it up. Right there, and I'm going to try to lift it and screw it. So let's tighten the lower bolts. All right, so what I did is I held them with two bolts down just to put it in place, and now I'm tightening the upper one. Then go down, finish the work. So you gotta replace the seal. That seal has to be replaced. Make sure you clean this and don't contaminate it. put it back to its place. And that's a new bolt that came with the compressor. 10mm bolt to put it back. Don't over that. Yeah, that's good. So we gotta put back the other one. There you go. Alright fellas, we are putting back the alternator. So you gotta put back the alternator.